In this video, I'll show you how to import an OpenAPI spec into Bruno from a public GitHub URL, automatically generate a collection, and keep it in sync as the spec changes. There's also a feature here that's easy to miss. Bruno can import an OpenAPI spec from either a local file or a public URL, and it automatically creates the collection for you. For this demo, my spec lives in a public GitHub repo. I'm going to use the raw file URL as the source, so GitHub becomes the source of truth for the API spec. Inside Bruno, I'll import using the URL option. I just paste in that raw GitHub URL, and a Bruno collection will be automatically generated. While importing, I can also toggle check for spec updates. With it on, that means Bruno not only generates a collection automatically, but it also connects it to the OpenAPI spec to keep it in sync with any updates. And now the collection is ready. Bruno has generated the request structure directly from the OpenAPI definition, so I'm starting with a working collection instead of building requests manually. From here, I can work like I normally would in Bruno. I can refine requests, add tests, add scripts, and keep using the collection day to day. Because I enabled sync during import, Bruno also gives me a status view for the collection. I can see what's in sync, what I've changed locally, and whether the source spec has any updates waiting. This is helpful because Bruno separates my local edits from incoming spec changes. So once the collection evolves, I can still tell what came from me and what came from the spec. Now let's update the spec the way a real team often would. Here in VS Code, I'm making a few changes to the OpenAPI file, updating the version 2, adding a new cancel order endpoint, updating the schema, and changing a parameter. Then I commit and push those changes back to GitHub, which updates the raw spec file Bruno is connected to. Back in Bruno, the collection now sees the source spec changed. Instead of re-importing everything, I can review those incoming changes in one place and decide what I want to apply. This review step is important because it makes spec updates visible and controlled. I can accept everything, keep certain current values, or skip changes I'm not ready to bring in yet. When I sync, Bruno regenerates the parts that came from the spec, things like the URLs, parameters, request bodies, and request structure, while keeping my tests, scripts, and assertions intact. I can also inspect the source spec directly from Bruno and adjust the connection settings if I want to control how Bruno checks for future updates. So the workflow is simple. Import your OpenAPI spec from a public URL or local file, let Bruno generate the collection automatically, and keep that collection aligned as the spec evolves.